Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to make a video on my new fan that I got a couple days ago. I was helping clean out a house, and I came across this, and they said, like, if you find something you like or want, just take it. And I found this, and I'm like, I'm going to take this home, clean it up, give it a new life, because when I found it, it was really dirty, and the bearings were locked up and stuff, and so I brought it home. I was happy when I found it. I'm like, cool, a vintage 80s, 90s Lakewood third generation box fan. Heck yeah, I'm taking this home with me, and I'm going to clean it up, restore it, and use it. So this is the coolest fan I own. This is a Kmart, late 80s, early 90s, model number P-223. So I got her cleaned up and stuff, oiled the bearings so it works. I plugged it in, tested it. It works. I gave her a good cleaning. It's not perfect, but for now it's pretty good. I plan on someday getting like the paint and materials you need to restore it, or like repainting the cabinet and painting it back to the original factory color that it came out, and make it look like it did in the 80s. But I love this fan. I've been using it now for a couple days now. Well, since yesterday at least. Without further ado, let's start her up. By the way, it did not spin this great when I got it. It was in rough shape. This still needs a little more oil, but like, she runs perfectly. I mean, not perfectly, but she runs pretty good. Despite it being stuck in the basement for 30 years or so, it still works.